Grandma looks like a really old man named Noah. I'm going to tell you the story about the ark. It's raining over land and sea and the window panes. Rain all around. The only sound is rain, water and mud. It's a flood. But in the ark, it's cozy. There's room for everyone. There's Mr. Baboon, and there's Lady Raccoon, Hog and Hen, Goat and Dog, Bee and Flea, and Mouse and Frog, respectable Mr. Snail, and so many wiggly tails. Time goes by, it won't stop raining. The pigs are snoring. It's so boring. The mice are wailing. Where are we all sailing? The cats say, enough. The dogs say, this is rough, rough, rough. That's when Noah shouts, let's send somebody out. Let's check if the flood has come to an end. But wait, who do you think we should send? Will it be raccoon or baboon? Monkey or donkey? Rat or gnat? Oh, it's too confusing to think of all that. Will it be hare or mare? Bee or flea? I'm getting a headache. Who will it be? Then the white dove spread her wings. She's on my head. The only one you should send is me. I will be able to look for dry land as far as the bird's eye can see. A while went by, then there she was, so white and light and calm. And with a branch held by her beak, she flew back to Noah's palm. I saw land, she said, and trees. The air was crisp and dry. I felt a warm and spring-like breeze. I saw a rainbow in the sky. A rainbow, said Noah. He looked at all his friends. Oh me, he said, oh my. The flood is coming to its end, and we must say goodbye. Don't forget, he added, how friendly we all were here. When you are all back on land and sky and seas, remember our world is dear. Take care of each other. Be careful, be kind. Remember this rainbow is a sign. No matter how bad things may seem, they always get better with time. So said Noah, and 2 by 2, the animals waved goodbye and set forth to inhabit our wonderful world and land and sea and sky. That's the story of Noah.